Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament Lok Sabha from the All India Trinamool Congress. Following yesterday's shameful incident in New Delhi, where the Afghan acting foreign minister of the Taliban held a press conference where women journalists were not allowed, the Indian External Affairs Ministry has put out a statement where they say they apparently had nothing to do with this. A couple of questions come to mind. The first, prior to this press conference, a meeting took place within the premises of Hyderabad House, which is an Indian official building, between the Foreign Minister of India, Dr. S. Jaishankar, and the Afghan delegation. Not a single woman official was allowed to be present as part of the Indian delegation. There is not one single woman present in the room. Not only that, only I think PTI and ANI were allowed to cover the press conference, and there were no women journalists even covering the meeting in Hyderabad House. The second, following this meeting in Hyderabad House, Amir Muttaqi goes on to the so-called Afghan embassy premises in an official convoy paid for by Indian taxpayer money, escorted by the Delhi police, and then proceeds to say that due to respect to their religion, no women will be allowed. And the Indians say they didn't know. Forget visiting delegations. This Indian government knows when members of the opposition, when all of us go to a bookstore, whether we go to the restroom, what we do, who we meet, what we eat, you know everything. You mean to tell us that you as the Indian government didn't know that the Afghan delegation was not going to allow women journalists in? Just prior to that, you had pandered to their request and not let women come into Hyderabad House as part of the Indian delegation. How shameful is that? And the Afghans put out something saying that this is their faith. Today, an Indian Muslim in India cannot offer namaz on their own roof. An Indian Muslim in India cannot profess love for the Prophet and say, I love Muhammad. And you are allowing, as the Indian government, for a foreign Muslim Islamic fundamentalist to come into Indian soil and ban women from the room, and we are supposed to be sensitive to their faith. What kind of Sanghi Talibani love fest is this going on? The Indian government, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. This is a country that gave the same universal franchise to women. We didn't have to go through a suffragette movement. Our founding fathers gave the right of the vote to women at the same time. We've had an Indian female prime minister, a woman prime minister, when the president of the United States has never been a woman. That's our legacy. That's where we come from. We are Matri Roop, we are Matri Shakti, we worship Durga, we worship Kali. And this is the state of the Indian government today. This is your 56-inch chhati. Is this diplomacy? We have no problem with you engaging with our neighbors, but you please do it on our terms. It is shameful that this Indian government is engaging with the Taliban on their terms on our soil and discriminating against and dishonoring every single mother, sister, and woman of India. This is shameful.